Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. This video is specially for PUBG lovers as we will talk about some new additions to the game and we will also show you the brand new Map Sanhok. So without any further ado, let's start. The new update for PUBG Mobile Beta is now available and it's the 0.8.0. In this update, there are lots of new features starting from a brand new map in classic mode which is Sanhok. It's a mini 4x4 map and I personally like this map a lot. And if you're wondering how you can get this latest beta on your phone, then do check the link in the description below which has a detailed guide about how to install the global beta on your Android and iOS device. This new map is already available in Chinese version and apart from the new map, in the global beta version there are lots of new features and optimizations. And guys, as it's a beta version, there'll be lots of bugs and crashes. Like when you start the game, you will get this message failed to load and in order to start the game, you'll have to try a couple of times. There is also a new assault rifle which is the QBZ which you will find in this new map and it has replaced the 5.56 CAR-L. I will let you see the gameplay now. Apart from the major additions, there are lots of optimization and features added in the game, such as now you can control the pickup ammo for a particular gun and you can set the maximum limit up to which it can pick up the ammo for that gun. And same can be set for smoke grenades and so on. Then there are two new cars, UAZ Jeep and Muscle Car. And guys, if you want to know all the changes, then do check the link to our website where we have listed all the changes and improvements of this beta release. About installation, if you're installing the beta version for the first time, then don't worry, you won't lose your existing game data and this will be installed as a separate game. Once you log in, you will start from level 1 and your beta version progress will be separate from regular game. And for installation, go to the link in the description where you will find two download links, one for the Android and the other one for iOS device. For Android, you just need to download the APK and install the game. And for iOS devices, open the link in Safari to install the game. So that's it guys, this was the new beta release of PUBG Mobile. Let us know if you like this new map and also tell us what you like about this game in the comment section below. And all of you are still not playing PUBG Mobile, then you don't know what you're missing out. So download this game right now. I should let you guys know that initially you might find it little difficult, but once you get used to the controls and gameplay, then there is no coming back. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off. And I'll see you in the next one.